what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and I have Ian here with me, and we're going to be working on some drills for children's martial arts. Now for this drill, we're going to be using the square hand pad. You can use a regular focus mitt, but I really like this one because it's a nice soft foam, and you can use it for a lot more drills than just hitting with the hands and the feet. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be going over some of the basic strikes. We have straight punch, uppercut, back fist, and then big hook that we'll be going over. Now, for holding pads, usually you want to make sure that you have a little bit of resistance. You can kind of hit back to encourage power, but you don't want to get it to the point where they lean and they push too much. Okay. Now, the other thing is you do need to have some give, especially for children. If you're going to go force against force, you have a chance of hurting them, especially the wrists and the thumbs. So you want to develop power over time, not just in one go. All right, let me see it say ping ma. Now for the first punch, where he's going to be throwing a straight punch, go ahead and reach out, chop, chop, and again, chop, chop. Now from here, I would usually have him start with the punch out, and then I'm going to place the pad in front of him. So he knows the distance, and I know the distance too. So he understands that he needs to hit from here. Otherwise, he may try to move forward. Go ahead and reach out again, chop, chop, and again, chop, chop, chop. Again, a little bit of resistance. I'm not just going to fly back with this one, but I do want to make it so there's a little bit of strength that he's building in this one. Now notice too, I'm on the side. I can talk to him if I need to. I'm not too close to him. And then also, if he hits really hard, I actually have some room to move. Go ahead again, chop, 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 chop. Good. Turn the shoulders all the way and extend. Chop, chop, chop. Good. Now from here, we're going to do the uppercut. Go ahead and reach up, jong. Jump. Now for this one, I don't want to be on the side because he may swing his arms over this way. So I want to be all the way in front of him. Now to really encourage that uppercut, instead of holding the pad like this and having him try to get underneath it or move his body too close or hit with these knuckles, I actually just want him to get used to the motion. So I'm going to grab behind it and have very little resistance. Okay? He's going to swing again, jong. Jong. See how it moves that pad up. Again, jong. Jong. Now this keeps him from putting too much emphasis and leaning back when he does this, so he has better stability in his stance. Again, jong. 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 Now also, in the beginning, we always have everybody hold that position so they let all the power transfer through. And one of the ways that we do that is let this pad come up and then back down. Now he knows to keep it out instead of just letting his hand go down right away. Jong. Jump. Now I can also use that to check his upper guard too. Jump. Jump. Good. Jump. 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 The next one is kwa. We use a back fist strike. Go ahead and kwa. Kwa. Good. Now this one's simple. Just grab it like regular, and then you're just gonna hold it right here. But do give the children a little bit of more allowance when they strike. Give them that leeway. Move with it a little bit. Ready? Kwa. Kwa. That's it. Kwa. Because you want that follow through. If I just hold it right here, kwa. Kwa. If I just hold it stiff, there's not that much room for follow through. He's not going to be able to develop good power for the entire motion. Go ahead, kwa. Kwa. That's it. Kwa. 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 If I really want to get him to release good power and follow through, I can also hold it this way with both hands. Go ahead and kwa. And have him knock it all the way out of my hands. Do it again. Ready? Kwa! Kwa! Good. One more time. Ready? Kwa! Kwa! Nice. Okay, the last one we have is the big sweeping hook. Soche. Let me see. Sik. Sik. Good. Other side. Sik. Sik. Now, if I hold the pad like this, do a slow motion one. This is good for him to practice his strike to go through, but if I push too hard here, he has a chance of hurting his shoulder. So again, we're going to go back to holding it just like what we did with the uppercut and just let the strike swing through. Now if I have two pads, I can just alternate hands. If I have one pad, I'll turn my hand over. Ready? Sik, 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 sik. Okay? So these are really good ways to develop those strikes while keeping yourself and your child safe in the process, okay? For Ian and myself, Sifu Cuddle, keep training. We'll see you next time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bam! Fist with a forward.